Good morning, dear students. In the previous video, you have seen the changes in tenses direct to indirect narration. In this, we will see the changes in pronouns. Pronouns of the first person in direct speech are changed in indirect speech to the same person as the subject of the introductory verb. Just see the example. John said, I am busy. So here in this sentence, I word is used for John. So when we are converting it into a passive voice, John is boy, so I will convert into he, meaning the pronoun is converted. John said that he, am will be converted into past tense, he was busy. She said, I have done my work. This I is used for she. It means it's a girl. So this I will not remain I. In this, it will convert into she. She said that she had done her work. For my is written according to I. But when she, so my will become her. So these are the changes which come in pronoun. We will see some more examples. He said, I shall do my best. And while you are converting it into passive voice, she said that he would do his best. Now next rule number 5 is pronoun of the second person in direct speech are changed in indirect speech to the same person as the noun or pronoun which comes after the introductory verb. I repeat, pronouns of the second person in direct speech are changed in indirect speech to the same person as the noun or pronoun which comes after the introductory verb. Just try to understand it with the given example. Harish said to me, you are wrong. Harish told me. So now this you will change according to me. Harish told me that I was wrong. So this pronoun you is converted into I. Now see the next example. Bali said to Ashok, you are a good boy. Bali told Ashok that this you will convert according to Bali, he. Bali told Ashok that he was a good boy. Now the sixth rule, pronouns of the third person in direct speech remain the same in indirect speech. When the pronoun is used in third person, it remains same. Just see the example. Harish said to me, he is ill. Harish is the third person. Do you know about first person? I, we always. Second person is you. Third person is any other name, boy, girl or any other name. Just see the example. Harish said to me he is ill. Harish told me that he was ill. Harish, he said to me she is not to blame. She told me that she was not to blame. Now the next rule. In all the example, the verb said in direct speech becomes told in indirect and preposition to it omitted. You have seen in all the sentences, in all the above sentences, it is whenever turning sentences become told, indirect speech preposition said is converted into told. Now rule number 7. When turning a sentence from direct into indirect speech, words showing nearness are changed into words showing distance. Likewise, see the example. Now becomes then, this becomes that, these becomes those, here becomes there, ago becomes before, Today becomes that day. Some more changes also come. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day. Last night becomes the night before or the previous night. Now we will see in examples how these changes will come. John said, I am busy now. John said that he was busy then. He said, I have seen this girl before. He said that he had seen that girl before. You can see this converted into that, now converted into then. I said these mangoes are sweet. I said that those mangoes were sweet. So these converted into those. Harry said the boy is here. Harry said that the boy was there. So change in tense will also come, as I told you in previous video, and change in here, there, tomorrow will become the previous day. I hope you have followed it. Thank you, dear children.